1999 Dodge Ram 3500. We're going to be replacing these. I'm just going to be showing the procedure. Unit's already out. So what you got to do is open that up. 2 clips in here that hold everything in. Come on. Okay. You might have to push up a little bit to get them loose. Same procedure. Hold it back. 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. You could also alternatively do it by removing with a pry tool, but it might break. This little locking tab right here, push it down, forward, out. Same procedure, put it from the back first. Locking tab, procedure to put it in. It's got hooks right here. You want to line those up first. Make sure they're in. 1, 2.